Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. 2 boxes, 2010 Panini Limited football cards, age 9 plus. Again, good luck to everyone. Here we go. There's the checklist, and there's the pack. Wow, a lot of thick cards in that. 4 thick cards we got. Normally we usually get 2 thick cards. This one has 4. And let me get a decoy for the back. Alright. Let me move the base from the back. First off, a base of Greg Jennings for the Packers. That's out of $4.99. Wes Welker, Patriots, $4.99. Then out of $4.99 for the Bills, we have a legend of Doug Flutie. And flip it again. Brandon Spikes Phenom out of $4.99. And another legend. This is weird. This one's numbered out of 25 for the Bills of Doug Flutie. First hit. It got a lot of dust on it from the card. I don't know why they do that. But for the Jets, we have a Joe McKnight jersey. The dust that they put on the top of the surface of the card got all over the jersey, but Joe McKnight. And that one is numbered out of 99, 14 out of 99, Joe McKnight. Oh, I was hoping this was autographed. Not autographed, but a single color jersey for the Vikings. That one's numbered out of 100 of Adrian Peterson. I wish that was autographed, but still really nice looking card. Adrian Peterson. And then 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Let me flip it. Wow, that's not autographed either. Event-worn, authentic jersey. Low numbered, but not autographed. It is a patch. It's white with a little butt hair. It's a little blue. So, 2-color patch of Ryan Matthews. But little blue in there. And the final card. Nice card. For the Jets, who was traded, I believe, a couple times. For the Jets, old school. Cheech will like this one. He's a big Jets fan. Numbered 8 out of 25. Jersey autograph material monikers of Wayne Corbett. Wayne Corbett, jersey auto, numbered 8 out of 25. You don't see many Corbett autographs out there, too. So that is box number 1. Let's move right into box 2. We have 2 thick cards in this one. All right, Greg Jennings base Packers out of $4.99. And then a Calvin Johnson Jr. for the Lions, $4.99. Tony Romo for the Cowboys out of $4.99. Legend Lydell Mitchell, $4.99. Deji Kareem Jaguars, that one is out of $4.99. And the hits. First up, we got for the Jaguars, which was taken out, so will be randomed. Maurice Jones-Drew, jersey. That one is numbered out of $1.99. Maurice Jones-Drew. And then numbered out of $1.99 for the Bengals. It's upside down. That is nice. Real nice card there. We pulled one of these earlier, but not the same player. 3-color patch autograph Phenoms. There you go, Lon. Finally getting something with the Bengals. Jordan Shipley. Nice card. Nice patch there. Jordan Shipley, nice patches. And we hit a redemption. The Jordan Shipley was numbered 48 out of 199. Redemption, moniker silver card number 187. And 187 will be Navarro Bowman. Navarro Bowman autograph.
Republicans say what? It'll take me an hour and 45 minutes, but I will take it. I'm going to say what no one else will say. They're all making jokes about it. Let me tell you this. Here's why the dude took a picture of himself. If you're Jewish and you got that much in your pants, you can't help but show
No problem. So there we go. That is the 2 boxes of certified, limited, sorry. Limited. Nice boxes, nice patch of Jordan Shipley, Bowman auto, jumbo patch, Corbett auto. Nice boxes. 2 boxes left. GSN Cards is out.